Welcome back. In this video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough on two of the modules. So if you see, we've got 12 modules overall, from Employee Hub to Overview, Administration, Sales, Partner Product, Project Management, Business Operations, Team, Finance, Reports, and Vault. So right now in this short video, we're going to cover the overview and the administration part. Employee Hub is going to be in the upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that, and the rest of them as well. So dashboard, we have given a detailed overview in our last video, or if you're watching the long form, a few minutes ago. But overall, you can go back and check that video, and you should be able to see everything from there. Now in this one, we're going to see the cash inflow outlook. So this is not very exhaustive. It's just going to show you, as from the management perspective, or for the users who are assigned to see this particular screen, would be able to see what's the cash inflow looking like from the perspective. So there'll be a whole lot more bumps when it comes to your particular organization, because this is just a demo. So subscription based business, so you'll be able to easily monitor your cash inflows on month-on-month basis, on what's coming and what is to be expected, and everything else, depending. And you can, as you're setting the date, it's going to be coming up right here. And this thing is completely integrated with your accounting system. Again, you'll see in the upcoming videos when we will cover the finance part. So this all of the system, LedgerAI completely runs from a single database, which is a single source of truth for your entire business operations, which is kind of like the key for us, because instead of having the distributed databases and everything else, we've got one relational database running it at the back end, but the values are very, very tightly integrated with each other to make sure that they're all communicating with each other throughout the system. And over here you'll see the AI Insight, where you'll just get a quick summary of whatever is going on in this particular slide. So again, a summarized form of things. Next, we'll jump into the administration. And here the users, now these are some of the dummy users, some of our team members who are with us. So you can assign them the role, so they can be either the admin or the member, and you can tell the system that which department they are from. So from the board member, management, sales, technical, finance. And as I showed you in our previous video on the settings side, you can just go ahead, and if you go to the settings again, just a quick show. So here is the access part. So what modules a particular user assigned to a certain section would be able to access. If say it's a management will be able to access all the modules of the system. However, sales would be able to access the sales module, partner and product module, and the business module. Employee Hub is available to all the users, which is normal. And the technical would be able to see just the sales pipeline, partner product, and the project management section. Now if you see here, sales do not have access to the project management, because that's very technical. So the technical team would have access to the project management module as well. So here, if you look at the departments, you can assign them. You can add more departments from the settings. And let's say you are a university, you want to add some academic department or something similar. You can add that here. You can give the users the rights as they prefer it to be. And then you can have the linked team member. Now these members are created inside as a team member. And you can have the, let's say for example, you have got a management user who's not particularly working for the company, but they are part of the management, but they are not really inside the company on day-to-day business. But they have to have the access of the system because they are either the investor or they are one of the key non-executive board member or somebody who's working somewhere else, but they're part of the company as well at the same time. So you'll be able to assign those members from here. And then when it comes to a linked team member, if there is a user that's already part of the company and then you're assigning them, so you can link them. So this we'll see when we'll go to the teams module to explain more about this. So that'll be all for these two modules, a quick rundown, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll be covering the sales, partner and product, and the project management as well. So basically sales and a technical side of LedgerAI. Stay tuned.